rainbow this morning. How cute! What a beautiful morning. So I'm just heading to my boot camp. Usually we do it in this field. Can you see the ladies running? So we usually do it there. I haven't been for a long time because I've been catching different sort of cold. So hopefully I'll be able to do something today. Anyway. I thought I'm going to try this hot chocolate. It looks really nice. Oh, this is always a winner in our house. I get a lot of snacks for the kids and a lot of fruits as well, and a lot of vegetables. So this is like a really big shop. Oh my god. Pistachio. I love pistachio. This bag was like £6 something. I thought it was a bit expensive, but I thought, you know what, I'm just going to try it and see. And a lot of veggies. Yeah, I still need to empty snack bar. I still need to empty some stuff, but yeah, it was a good shop. And yeah, I think I'm just going to put the things that need going to the fridge quickly because I need to go pick my kids. My alarm has already. Oh, by the way, I bought this mushroom. I don't know if this one is good, but I'm intending to make what is it called, risotto. Yeah, I don't really make risotto, so I'm trying to. Oh yeah, I bought some really nice spinach. I'm going to make some vegetable things. So a lot of vegetables and a lot of healthy cereals and porridge because this is the time for. Yeah, anyway, I'll let you be. I'll put this in the fridge and I'll just crack on. I think that should be key. Maybe very soon, or rather.
Plain ones.
But I'm going to have plains. Ooh, look at these muffins. This is just way dangerous. Oh, come on to like the Christmas. Could I have hot chocolate, please?
Two croissants can go on one plate. This is being probably 10.
I will have to come to this shop later. Look at all their Christmas things that are. So basically, guys, I am in Kingston. Kingston is so beautiful. I need to come here with my kids when it's dark in the night one day. It's just so Christmassy. Anyway, I just had the most wonderful coffee. So I think the customer service is there. Yeah.
Customer services, 1R Riverside.
Right. So
Around the back. Merino wool, that'd be really nice.
yeah, this is nice. This is so cute. Okay.
That one suits you better, doesn't it?
Totallyconfused.com. I don't know which one to buy. Anyway, I'll show you guys later what I picked. I don't like this kind of one. They're just a bit too much for me. I have not made a fuss, have I?
Not at all, no.
Oh my god, I love this mulberry green bag. This is just, the structure is everything. I love this one. This one is so cute. Ugh. But I didn't go with this one. Hopefully I'm going to save up and buy this one. This is so cute. This is a vibe. Wow, this is a serious chocolate shop to come with the kids.
Yeah, I got the bag. So I got the bigger one. I would show you guys.
I'll show you guys the one I picked. Oh, I must look after this bag really nicely. So yeah, so I went with the black one. So that's the dust bag. I must honestly look after my mulberry bag because I'm so rubbish at looking after bag. I think this one is really cute. Yeah, did she peel? There's no scratch, isn't it? Yeah, I decided to go with the classic. Yeah.